right, today we're gonna bring a ceiling fan with an LED light. Now it does come with a control, and I'm gonna show you a little bit more about features of a control, but you also have an app to control this device. All right, so we're gonna turn it on and test it out, and it's very light, so you can put this on any kind of a surface pretty much. You get the manual, and in the manual they give you instructions on where to download the app if you ever lose the control too. Now you got your power on, your forward, and your reverse. You got level 1 all the way to 6, fan on and off in here, and then different types of lights and different types of actual airflow. All right,
see if I could drive them through there. There's one screw. That's it.
Air first. Air level 1. All right, level 1 all the way to level 5 with the control. We're able to do that. We could go reverse. We could change the light. We could dim it down if you want. Look at that, just clicking it, changing it higher tone. Look at that. Go back up to the brightness. All right, we got a beautiful light effect. We're going to change the LED, the RGB lighting, to a different light. Look at that. Let's see if we have any other ones. That one's changing different. Pretty much has all the colors. I like the actual rainbow one, so you could turn it off and then turn it on. You could change it to different types of RGB lighting. Then you can always turn it back to normal. So right now we're gonna go to the app. All right, so we just downloaded the app. All right, we're just connecting it right now. So you had to turn off the power around 5 times, and then it starts blinking once. So right now you could power it off from here. All right, you could turn it on from here. You got different tones on it. All right, you can change the tones, the 3 light tones that you have. All right, now if you guys can see it, we're gonna put the brightest. We're gonna go into color. You can change your colors here to manually change the colors. Now, if you want to change your RGB lighting, they got plenty of RGB lighting settings already available. If you guys can see that, all of them are all preset here, but you can create your own. Now, the fan control, you got all the speeds here. All right, so we're gonna turn it on. If you guys can see, on, the fan goes on. You could reverse, you could slow it down. We could hit the power off. And then you have options, different settings for it too. All that's available on the app, but you have to install it. You got to turn it off 5 times in order to make it blink and activate it. Overall, it's a great product. I hope you guys enjoy the video.